Welcome back to an island. Some of my fans have been telling me they really want to see that cage over there. And see, there's actually an egg. That's good. Say hi to Harry. Hello, Harry Potter. Well, this is my new statue. And now I'll show you my other statue. Hermione. So let's go and check out the thing. Now I'm close up. You can't see anything, right? But you would soon. So look, there's actually an egg. Okay, let's try to take it out on this. Stuck. The pure egg is kind of cracking. Let's put it back in. So you can see it again. There's the egg. Okay, so that's the egg over there. So some things I've been telling you, it's gonna storm. Okay, anyways. So you see my head, right? I'm gonna be showing you my plates, my new plates. When I went on holidays to Bangladesh, it's been gone, so I made new ones. And these two are just today. So we have tomato, snapdragon, pansy, chamoli, viola, bok choy, cabbage, and chips. That's all we have. So yeah. So plus, I wrote this down for my sister. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 22 plus 22 equals 44. Now I drew this little cool ponytail. 1 plus 1 equals up here. So it's just my sister didn't really want to do it, and I had a wet chalk and then after like 2 minutes it just drew up. So I have this wall, right? You can see these kind of white things. You can see my nail even. Woo!